Have you ever bitten into a fresh, juicy slice of pineapple and noticed a strange tingling sensation on your tongue after a few minutes? Maybe it feels a little rough, or even starts to mildly burn. You might just brush it off, thinking it's a typical citrus acid reaction. But the truth is much stranger, and honestly, a little bit creepy. When you eat a piece of raw pineapple, that pineapple is actually eating you back. Today, we are looking at the bizarre science behind the world's most aggressive fruit, and why this sweet tropical treat handles your mouth like an afternoon snack. To understand why the pineapple fights back, we have to look deep inside its cells at a very specific chemical called bromelain. Bromelain is a proteolytic enzyme. Now, don't let the complex scientific jargon push you away. Proteo simply means protein, and lytic means to split or break apart. Put simply, bromelain is a microscopic protein assassin. And here is the catch. Your tongue, your cheeks, and the roof of your mouth are made entirely out of proteins. The moment you chew into a raw piece of pineapple, you rupture its cells and release this enzyme into your mouth. As the juices coat your tongue, the bromelain immediately goes to work, literally slicing through the protective mucus lining and breaking down the surface cells of your mouth. That stinging, raw sensation you feel isn't an allergic reaction. It is the literal sensation of your own tissue being slowly digested by a fruit. Long before modern scientists finally isolated this enzyme in the late 1800s, the indigenous peoples of Central and South America were well aware of the pineapple's strange flesh-melting powers. They didn't know the word enzyme, but they discovered that if you wrapped a tough piece of meat inside pineapple leaves, or marinated it in the fresh juice, the meat would become incredibly tender. The bromelain was actively chewing through the tough muscle fibers. But this chemical isn't just tough on steak. In the mid-20th century, workers in pineapple canneries who sliced the fruit by hand all day experienced something straight out of a horror movie. Over time, the concentrated bromelain completely dissolved the skin ridges on their hands. The workers would temporarily lose their fingerprints entirely. Don't worry, the prints grew back perfectly fine once they started wearing gloves. But it proves just how powerful this natural chemical truly is. So, if the pineapple is actively trying to digest us, how do we survive eating it? Thankfully, human biology is incredibly fast. Furthermore, the second you swallow the fruit, your incredibly strong stomach acids instantly destroy the bromelain, stopping the enzyme dead in its tracks. But what if you want to enjoy a tropical snack without the painful sting? You can use two incredibly simple tricks. First, you can heat it up. Cooking completely deactivates the bromelain enzyme. This is exactly why canned pineapple, which goes through a hot pasteurization process, never makes your mouth burn. Second, you can try a popular trick from Southeast Asia. Soak the fresh fruit in a bowl of salt water for a few minutes. The salt slightly alters the chemical shape of the enzyme, completely disarming it so it can no longer attack your tongue. In the end, the pineapple isn't evil. It's just a fascinating quirk of evolutionary biology, a plant armed with a microscopic defense mechanism that just so happens to taste amazing. So the next time you slice into one, take a second to appreciate the tiny, invisible battle happening right inside your mouth. If this bizarre bit of food science blew your mind, hit that like button and share this video with a pineapple lover. And subscribe for more surprising secrets hidden inside the everyday world. Thanks for watching.